And we would request the cast and the director to finally felicitate the Murarka brothers. Yeah, we will do the pictures. One last felicitation left. We've also had a support from the man who has promised us a lot of audience so that you can actually see this, the promotion of this film. So the very, very bright Mr. Yogesh Lakhani. Okay, can we please have you up on stage, please? Thank you.
Come, please come forward. Please come forward. Please come forward. पहले माइक नहीं लिया, नहीं तो मैं डर के सवाल इनको पूछता, क्योंकि जब ये शूट भी कर रहे थे, he was like in and out. दीपक भाई, don't take me wrong. But the fact is, इससे बढ़िया किरदार दीपक भाई के अलावा कोई नहीं कर सकता था दोस्तों. I can't forget that every moment he shot there. Amazing. आपने जो expressions देखे उनके, when she walks to him with a glass of milk there, that's what our Indian tradition is about. वो pulse rate से बढ़ गई. It was unimaginable. और जो लुक दिया उन्होंने उस टाइम पे, वो पलंग का सीन छोड़िए, मैं बोलो जो कुंडली वो लगा रही थी तभी, तो उनकी कुंडली लगाते रहे, जब उनकी एड़ियां ऊपर गई, साथ साथ दीपक जी ऊपर उड़ गए. It was phenomenal. Trust me, nobody else could have been better than Deepak bhai. Thank you so much, Deepak bhai.
And congratulations to Sunny ji and Deepak ji, आपको भी, आपने एक सही चीज के लिए आगे आए और आपको इसी तरह मतलब